The composite Simp is punching at 1207.67, up 3.12%. And gentlemen, that is your wallet voting with its feelings. I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange desk, where we track the only market that closes when she stops texting back. 6 advancers versus 3 decliners tells you the bulls are grooming themselves and the bears forgot to moisturize. With skin leading the charge while ring gets absolutely left on read at down 2.8%.
$537 billion in tracked cap, and this market can only get 2 names into the green. That is not a bull market, that is a participation trophy. I'm Queen Diva at the Sponsor Economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where the composite spawn is sitting at 401.31, down a full percent on the session, with 5 decliners dragging the room, while Groom squeaks out 1.75% and Kicks gets absolutely stomped at negative 2.67%. The breadth on this close is 5-2 against, which means the ladies are either tightening the budget or the men are simply not performing. And from where I'm sitting, it looks like a little of both.
The Grindset Index is closing the session down 1.68%, which means nearly $1 trillion worth of men investing in themselves just got a little less confident. But 6 of 9 components are still advancing, so this is not a collapse. It is a correction with a gym membership. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange. And the spread tells the real story here in Q3 2026. Play is leading the gainers, while gains bleeds out at the bottom, which is either deeply ironic or the most on-brand thing this market has ever done. The composite sits at 750.33. The majority is holding green, and the men who stayed the course today are statistically outperforming the men who did not.
Men are outspending everyone tonight, pouring capital into Simp at a $1,297.0 billion market cap that dwarfs both the Sponsor Economy and the Grindset Index combined. And unlike those two, Simp is the only ticker closing green. Spawn and Grind are both in the red this Q3 session, suggesting women are pulling sponsorship commitments while men simultaneously lose faith in their own self-investment thesis, yet somehow redouble efforts towards someone else's. The divergence is textbook. When men stop betting on themselves and start bleeding into Simp, the spread widens and the irony compounds at market rate. Full data, live flows, and the chart you already know you should not be looking at. simpx.exchange.